What's the meaning of balmy? Balmy. Balmy.
Balmy. Balmy. The word balmy typically refers to weather that is mild, soothing, or pleasantly warm. It can also describe a person's behavior or temperament as calm, relaxed, and affable. The origins of the word balmy can be traced back to the Latin word balsamum, which means a fragrant plant or resin that has soothing properties. In contemporary usage, balmy is often used to describe a summer evening breeze, a sun-kissed beach, or even a relaxing spa experience. Its connotations of warmth, comfort, and healing make it a popular choice in writing about pleasant and invigorating experiences.